This would be a level 2 DI set. The average annual salary figures of 5 leading B schools have been shown below. Narsimha Munji, KJ Somaiya, IMI, IMT and FMS. So the average annual salary figures have been given below. The percentage of students getting PPOs, that is pre-placement offers, and the average annual salary in lakhs is shown below. So again for Narsimha Munji, KJ Somaiya, IMI, IMT, FMS, we have first been given the average annual salary and then the percentage of students getting PPOs. And this average annual salary is for the students who get those PPOs. The second part provides more data, and that is the number of students, the number of companies visiting the campus, and the total offers made, including PPOs, have been shown below for these 5 leading B schools. So for these B schools, what we are seeing is that we have been shown number of companies, the number of students, and the number of offers. Now, based upon what has been given here, let us first try and construct a table. So, let us do that in the next page, it will be easier. So, first say we have a B school that has been given to us, and then say the number of companies, then say the number of students, then number of offers. So from here we can find offer per company, then offer per student. So let us first see which schools have been given. So it's FMS, then we have IMT, we have IMI, we have KJ Somaiya, and we have Narsimha Munji NM. So now let us look at the number of companies for all of these. So FMS we can see is 60, IMT would be 90, IMI would be 50, KJ Somaiya would be 70, and Narsimha Munji would be 80. So let me just plug in these figures. So the figures are 60, 90, 50, 70 and 80. Now let's look at the number of students. Number of students that I can see is 100, 150, 120, again 150 and then 150. So that would be 100, 150, 120, 150 and once again 150. Let's look at the number of offers. Now the number of offers that we can see here is, now remember for offers we are looking at the triangles and this is the indication. So the number of offers here is not 80 actually. If you look straight down here, the number of offers here would be 125, midway between 100 and 150. Similarly for IMT, the number of offers is 225. For IMI and KJ Somaiya, it turns out to be 150, and for NM 200. So it's 125, then 225, then 150, 150 and 200. Now offers per company. So offers are here. So offers is this column and company is this. So 125 by 60 would be the first one. So that's 125 by 60. So that will be 25 by 12. So that will be 2.08. Then 225 by 90, that's exactly 2.5. 150 by 50 would be 3. 150 by 70 would be again 15 upon 7, which is 2.14. Then 200 by 80 is again 2.5. Now offers per student, again this column by number of students. So the first one would be 1.25. Then we get 225 by 50, which is exactly 1.5. Then 150 by 120, which is 5 by 4, which is 1.25. Then 150 by 150, which is 1. And then 200 by 150, which is 4/3, which is 1.33. Let us look at the first question. Which school has the highest total number of offers per student? That is the last column. Offers per student is highest at 1.5 for IMT. Hence the answer is option A, IMT. Let's look at the next question. The ratio of the number of offers to the number of companies visiting the campus is highest for. So ratio of offers per company. Again, looking at the table we made, highest ratio is 3, which is for IMI. Hence the answer is option C, IMI. Next question. At FMS, what is the average salary of students who did not get a PPO? Let's go back to the graphs. So let's look at the first graph. So this shows that the average salary of all students at FMS is 7 lakhs. Also, it shows that the percentage of students at FMS getting a PPO is 25. And the next graph shows that the number of students at FMS is 100. So from here I can say that 25 students get a PPO and 75 students do not get a PPO. Correct? Now, in total 100 students, so the total salary that those 100 students make is 7 into 100, 7 lakh into 100, which is 700 lakh. Also, what I can say is that 25 of these students get a PPO. So the salary of the students who get a PPO is 25 into 10, which is 250 lakh. Thus, the salary of the other students is 700 minus 250, which is 450 lakh. How many other students? 100 minus 25, 75. So the answer is 450 by 75, 6 lakh. So the average salary of the students at FMS who do not get a PPO is rupees 6 lakhs. Answer D.